All right, so we'll do traditional method now. For the traditional method, basically, you're going to put it here. Your divisor is a 4, and your dividend is 45. So it's 45. Let's do it with my finger. 45 divided by 4. The first thing I do is I look at my first digit, and I hide my second one. And I go like, well, 45. Does a 4 go in 4? Yes, it does. How many times? One time. 1 by 4 gives me 4. I subtract, I'm left with nothing. I bring down my 5. And then I go like 5, how many 4? Well, it also has 1. 1 by 4 gives me 4. I subtract, I'm left with 1. Therefore, my answer is 11 and a remainder of 1. So we did the same question 4 different times. We did it using the array, which is just simply dividing single units into whatever the divisor is. We did base 10, so we're counting up by 10 whenever we can. Remember, sometimes we weren't able to. And then partial method is when you're putting the numbers on the side and then you multiply them and put them down. And a traditional is just a traditional. So this is it for the first part. I left you one question, and rather it's an easy question because I didn't want you to spend a lot of time, creating single boxes and stuff like that. But I want you to practice it. I want you to try to do it using 4 different methods. Once you are done with that, I want you to move to the following page in here and do the traditional method. Honestly, traditional method is my favorite method, and I think it's really the quickest one that we can use anyway. So I'm just going to kind of stick with it in here. And I want you to do all of these questions using traditional method. Again, you can do it on a piece of paper and just attach a picture. I think that would be the easiest thing for you to do. So please do it on a piece of paper, and then you know how to attach to the document. So once you get your answers, attach it to this document. And the last thing that I have for you here is word problems. So I will be giving you word problems on Thursday. Remember, when you're doing word problems, you need to do 3 things. 1, you have to have an equation. 2, you must show how you're solving it. And then 3, you need to give me a statement, a sentence, to give me a complete sentence about the final answer. I gave you 3 questions in here that you can work on. Again, do it on a piece of paper, show me work. Okay, Miss Asaf is here and I'm sure she'll be a great help. So if you guys need help, you can ask her, or come tomorrow morning as well if you need to ask me for extra help, and I will help you before our class starts. Either if you're with me in the morning at 8:40, or if you're with me in the afternoon at 12:40. Okay, all right, I hope that helped. Yeah, I guess that's basically it. Just make sure you know the methods and you should be all fine. Oh, and fractions, I didn't give you anything because we just did it for 2 days and it was really easy stuff anyway. So if you want to review fractions, just look at the material we have been working on the last 2 days on Monday and Tuesday. See you guys soon. Come on.